Hello.
Hello. Hello, my dear. Oh, hi. Hello, dear. Hello.
I'm five. My son.
Oh,
Có. Lên lại lên. Tắt nhớ. Lên. Bỏ lên đây. Rồi qua đây. Excuse me.
oh,
Hi.
hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, so hi, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Oh, that's great to know. Okay, so now, dear, again, before we start, let me introduce myself first. So my name is Teacher Anne. So how about you? What is your name?
My name is Phúc.
Fook. Okay, so nice to meet you, Fook. Okay, so how old are you?
I am 8 years old.
Okay, so now, dear, okay, are you ready to learn now?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so let me share my screen now.
Oh,
Okay, so now, dear, can you see my screen now?
yes.
Can you see the book?
Yes.
Oh, that's great. Okay, so now, dear, let's start now the trial cards. Okay, so now, dear, this one, your lesson is all about Academy Starts to Pupils book. Okay, so we have here the lesson one, in the wild. Okay, now, dear, can you say in the wild? Can you say in the wild?
In the well.
Very good. So that is correct. So now, dear, let's have here the animals map. Okay, so we have here different kinds of country. We have here the Egypt, the Russia, the China, India, and Australia. So before that, let's have here the animals. Okay, so let's have here in the Russia. So what are the animals in the Russia? Okay, so we have here, do you know this kind of animals?
Yes.
Okay, so what is it?
It is a bear.
Very good, that is correct. So in Russia, there's a bear, and how about this one? What is this?
It is a wolf.
Yeah, it's a wolf, or sometimes it's look like um a fox. Okay, it's look like a fox. Okay, so now, dear, again, in Russia we have here a bear and a wolf or a fox. Okay, so now, dear, how about in Egypt? Okay, so what kind of animals are there? They are
They are crocodile.
very good. So in Egypt, there is a crocodile and what is this?
Camel.
A camel.
It is.
Yeah. So this is a camel. Good job. You know these animals. So now again, one more time, in Egypt, there are crocodiles
Crocodile.
and
Camel.
very good. So how about in China? So what are the animals? So we
I
have,
have panda.
yeah, that is correct. So in China, we have panda. How about this one?
And camel.
A camel, a bear,
Bear.
and a wolf or a fox. Okay. So again, in China, there are panda, camel, bear, and a wolf. Okay, did you remember again? Can you repeat?
In China, they have panda.
camel, bear, and wolf.
Very good. So that's great. So good job. How about in India? So in India, there are crocodiles, a wolf, a camel, and a bear. Okay, again, one more time. What are the animals in India?
India,
Yeah, what are the animals in India? They are
crocodile, wolf, camel, and bear.
very good. So how about in Australia? Okay, so what animal is this?
It is kangaroo.
Very good. So this one is a kangaroo. So in Australia, so there are kangaroo and a crocodile.
Crocodile.
Yeah, that's great. So that is correct. So okay, so let me introduce my friend. Okay, so this is my friend. Okay, this is yellow. Okay, can you see yellow now? Okay, so this is
Yes.
my friend Yellow. Okay, so now, dear, let's have now the next one. Okay, so we have here the lesson 1, unit 1, identify and use the new words, animals, countries. Okay, so we can play the audio because the audio here is not working because we have in the PDF. So that's why I will say, and you're going to do is write a number. Okay, did you get it? Okay, so for example, number 1, we have here, what kind of animals is this? This
This
is
is a kangaroo.
a kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
So that is correct. So you will write number 1. Okay? Okay. Now, can you find a camel and write number 2?
Không có số được.
Okay. Do you know how to write?
Two.
2. Where is the camel? Can you write number 2 in the
Ủa,
box?
sao không được?
Like this one? 1. How about number 2? A camel.
Ủa,
Yeah?
chưa được đâu.
Do you know how to write up? Do you know how
I
to
don't.
write? Okay, use
I
your
don't
pen. Okay, it's
Hiểu gì rồi.
enable. Where is
Mình đi
the...
bộ.
Okay, can you write number 2 in camel? So where is camel in the picture here? Where is camel here?
Ừ,
Where is camel
mình thấy
here?
được.
Sorry, I can write it.
Oh, you can write. Okay, it's okay. So we can skip this part, okay? So again, I will write number for you, okay? Okay, I will say, okay, you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, you can say the number, okay? So now, dear, again, where is camel? What number is the camel?
Rồi, camel is two.
Very good. How about the wolf?
It is six.
Very good. How about the bear?
It is one.
That is correct. How about the panda?
It is five.
That is correct. How about the crocodile? What number is the crocodile?
It's a tree.
Very good. It's number 3. So how about what number is the flag of Australia?
It is 7.
Very good. How about the flag of India?
It is 8.
It's number 8. That is correct. So good job, my dear. You can find all the animals and also the flags of the countries. So now dear number 2. So look at the picture in activity number 1. So which countries are they from? So what countries is a bear from? What country is the bear from?
Bé đã quên rồi mà.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, the bear. What
There
country?
is in India.
It's India. Very good. How about the panda? Which countries is the panda? Do you remember?
The panda is in India.
In India.
India.
Are you sure it's India?
India.
Okay. So the panda is from China, right? It's from China, right?
Vietnam.
China.
Yeah, okay. It's from China. How about the crocodile? What countries are they from?
It's in Australia.
In Australia, that is correct. What else? They are also in India and Egypt. Okay, so the crocodile also lives in India, Egypt, and Australia. How about the kangaroo? This one.
Kangaroo is in Australia.
Very good. It's from Australia. Okay, good job. So now, dear, how about, okay, let's skip this. Okay, let's skip this song because we can play the song. I will find a book. Okay, so now dear, let's have now this one, the grammar time. Okay, so listen, read, what animals can they see? For number 1, let's read this one. Okay, so look, this is the India zone. There are some crocodiles. Can you repeat again one more time?
Look, this is India zone. There are some crocodiles.
Very good. That is correct. How about in number 2?
This is the China zone. There are some pandas.
Very good. That is correct. How about there aren't any tigers?
There aren't any tigers.
Okay, that is correct. How about this one, number 3?
Where are we now?
Very good. Where are we now?
I don't know. There aren't any animal.
Again, I don't know. There aren't any animals.
I don't know. There aren't any animals.
Very good. That's nice. How about number 4? Yes, there are.
Yes, there are. Look, there are some kangaroos. Hooray!
Very good. So that is all correct. So good job, my dear. Okay. So now, my dear, let's have now this one. Let's read and march. Okay. So, okay, we have here, there are some crocodiles.
Crocodile.
Okay, there are some crocodiles. How about there aren't any
tigers.
tigers? Very good. How about panda? Is there
There
a
are
panda?
some pandas.
Okay, very good. There are some pandas. How about this one?
There are some kangaroos.
Very good. But there aren't any
Tigers.
tigers. Very good. So that is correct. So now let's have now the next one we have here. Okay, let's have here, look and read. So we have here there a graphic and a grammar. So we have here there are some or any or there
Some.
are aren't plus some any. Okay, again, can you say there are some?
There are some
Okay,
any.
okay, that is correct. How about there aren't some any.
There aren't some any.
Okay, very good. So now, dear, let's have here the examples. Okay, so we have here there are some crocodiles. Okay, can you say
There are yes,
there are?
there are some crocodiles.
Very good. That is correct. How about we use aren't or are not? Again, let's have you the sentence. There aren't any pandas.
There aren't any pandas.
Okay, very good. Or we can say there are not any pandas.
There are not any pandas.
Very good. So that is correct. So now, dear, let's have now look and complete the sentences. For example, there are some foxes. Okay? There aren't any pandas. How about this one? Okay, look at the picture. Number 3. So what is the sentence for number 3? There
There aren't any crocodiles.
there are,
Not
there aren't,
there aren't
aren't,
And
any crocodiles.
very good. So that is correct. There aren't any crocodiles. How about number 4? There
There are some camels.
Very good. That is correct. There are some camels. How about number 5? What is the sentence here? Can you complete it?
There are some wolf.
Very good. There are some wolves. Very good. So that is correct. How many wolves are there?
There are 2 wolves.
Oh, how many?
2.
I think this one is also wolves. And this one. How many wolves?
Yeah.
There are 5 wolves.
2 colors.
Yeah, they have 2 colors, a gray one and a brown. So that's why he confused. Okay, so that's okay. So that is also correct. There are 2 wolves. Okay, how about number 6? Can you?
There are
Okay.
kangaroos.
Okay, very
There are some kangaroo.
There are some kangaroos.
Very big.
Oh, look at the picture. Is there a kangaroo in the picture?
No,
Okay, so what is the correct answer?
there aren't any.
Yeah.
There aren't
There
any.
aren't any
Okay,
kangaroo.
there aren't any kangaroos. That is correct. How about number 7, bears? Can you see a bear in the picture?
Yes,
Yes. Okay, so
Okay.
what is your sentence?
there are some bears.
Very good. That is correct. There are some bears. Okay, how many bears are there?
There are 2 bears.
Very good. There are 2 bears. How about tigers?
There aren't any tiger.
Very good. There aren't any tigers. Okay, good job, my dear. So that is all correct. So good job, my dear. So now, dear, so that would be the end of our trial class. Okay. So anyway, so good job for today. You can, all the animals. Okay. Also, you can identify the countries of that animals, and you can make your own sentence. Okay. So you can use aren't and are, or there are some, or there aren't any. Okay, so good job for that. So now, dear, goodbye, and thank you so much, and have a good night. Goodbye.
Goodbye,
See you
teacher.
again next time. Bye.
Thank you.